everyone, Marion Embossing here. If you saw the last video I did, you may have remembered seeing these on there, and I said I was going to do something with them. And I just got so carried away, I completely forgot. These were the cards that I did in the last video. I'm doing this one straight after, I'm still in the same shirt. And I just got so carried away with these. I absolutely love them. So I hope you've seen the video. I will link it at the end. And then, yeah, I just totally forgot about this. So let me go in. Oh, I've got to open them. I don't like opening them. Can you open them from... Oh, look, you can open them from there. Okay, so let's just pull this guy out. I don't think I've used it before. I don't know, maybe I have. I don't know. Anyway, so I am going to take my Misty, and it's got my scrapbook.com sticky mat in it. And I think if I put this in the corner, I'm not going to get it all, am I? So I need to put this about there, and hopefully it will stay stuck. It's very dirty. I need to clean it. I'm ashamed of myself. Okay, so what was I going to do? I've totally forgotten. Totally forgotten. So let's just stick that down. I was playing with tissue and colours. So I am going to do the same sort of thing. So I've got my tissue paper. In fact, I'm just going to tear that in half. I don't need all of it. And I fell in love with these colours that I used on the previous card, which was the Distress Oxides in the Kitsch Flamingo, Twisted Citron and Salvaged Patina. Now, I really shouldn't use the same. Or should I? Well, let's just go a little bit more masculine. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's have a bit of iced spruce in with it. Okay, so I've screwed my tissue up. I can't even remember what I was going to do with this. I think I just wanted to try it through a stencil. Okay, let's just... Don't feel that you've got to do the whole thing. When you're doing a background, you don't have to fill the whole thing out. So let me just get lots and lots. I just love the texture that I can't talk now, that the tissue gives. It's really nice. And you can always sort of, you know, screw it up another way, and then you'll get a slightly different look. You can turn it round, etc. So that's nice. So that's iced spruce. I'm going to flip the whole thing over again. Okay, I don't like that. I don't know if you do. I don't. But that's because it's not, what's the word? It's not solid enough for me. So now I feel like if I just take a dry wipe and just give that a bit of a clean, because if I now take something lighter like speckled egg and put that over the top to fill in those gaps. I've got to try and find what I've got. I really need a clean brush. That's not too bad. Just pick a bit of this up. Okay, hopefully. But then again, I can always go back over it. So let me just bring that colour in. that's better. Look at that. Now I've got defined hearts. See, there's always a way of bringing something back. You think you've lost it, and you haven't. So I'm happy with that. So just by putting a lighter one over the top, again, let's just give it a little clean. Now, do I want to add any embossing to it? What do I want to do? Let's just get rid of those. I might, see, I use the metallic platinum sparkle on it. Do you know what? I'm going to do that again because it's really, really beautiful. So I am going to take another bit of tissue, scrunch it. So I'm doing the same sort of thing because I don't want it to go all over. So I'm just going to pick up some ink. And look, even that picks it up. And if I can bring it right up close, you can see that the powder actually picks up the texture in the tissue. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So I want this to flatten out. So I could just put things like that on it, just a few of them there and there. Let it flatten out a bit before I stick it to my card. I did have some card bases here, and then I left a baby wipe on top of one of them. Not my best look. Look at that. Although I did start looking at it and thinking, oh, that makes like a nice bit of texture. So I was thinking, what could I do with that? Waste not, want not, hey? So I've got another bit here. And I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it's really simple. It's just a really simple background. So let me just get my glue. Probably still needs flattening a little bit more. And again, I've got my little pot. These are just my go-to ones when I just need, you know, something quick for the videos. What have I got here? From the bottom of my heart, you did something amazing for me, and then you could put that. Couldn't have done it without you. See, that's nice, isn't it? I like that. So we can just stick those direct. Like there. I feel like I need a little something there. But I don't know what. I'm just looking what's in front of me. There's not a lot in front of me. Well, there is a lot in front of me, but not a lot that I can use. So yeah, just another little way of doing that technique, but this time doing it through a stencil. So I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry I forgot to do it last time. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks ever so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.